Today, I'm going to show you how to create this faded text effect in Canva. It's really simple and looks incredibly professional. Let's jump in. All right, first open any project size you want to work on. Now, the first step is to add your image. Just go to Uploads, select your image, and add it to the canvas. Make it bigger to fill the entire canvas and adjust its position. Next, go to Text and add a heading. First, change the text color to white. Then type your text. Now go to Font. Search for Anton and select it. Make it capitalize, increase the size, and position it at the top center of the canvas. Now we want this text to fade from the bottom. To do this, go back to Colors and choose Gradient. Change the second color to white as well. Now click the plus button to add 3 more white colors. Next, choose the bottom linear style. Now change the last 2 colors transparency to 0. And set the third color transparency to 50%. Your text will now look faded, like this. Now, the final step, placing the text behind the person. Duplicate your original image. Place the duplicate exactly on top of the first image. Then, simply remove its background. And that's it. Your text is now sitting perfectly behind the person. And that's how you create this faded gradient text effect in Canva. If you found this helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials like this.